YouTube, I gotta open this up. I want to go home, but I can't. I gotta open this up. I'm the winner of an Andis giveaway. This box is in fact from Andis. Let's go. And I got another box coming tomorrow, so we gonna unbox that too. I don't know if they actually sent 2 boxes or they just sent them in separate packages, but we'll see when they get here. Folding blade case. Sheesh. Uh-oh. This greasy. Uh-oh, something done spilled. But it's cool. There's a lot of grease in here, dog. This is Blade Care Plus and Clipper Oil. I'm gonna let that sit there for a second because I know I'm gonna have to clean that up. Purple guards. You can never go wrong with the OG double magnet guards. This is 0 to 4. Let's go. I like that. I like that. They're my favorite guards. Okay. We got an Andis brush. It ain't got no price on there. I was just checking. You feel me? You got Cool Care in a greasy bag. You feel me? But it's all cool. That's love, and that's love. I appreciate y'all. My hand greasy. This is the all new Andis top. So they're gonna come like this from now on. Just so y'all know. We finally got the second package in. Now let's open this up and see what it is. All right, we have a master cordless phase blade. So that's everything that I want from the giveaway. Shout out to Andis. I appreciate y'all out there. Thank y'all for this. I do love this blade, so we're gonna put it on something. I don't know what yet, but we are going to put this on something. I appreciate y'all for watching. I go by the name of Cruze, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.